I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. First, you go like this. Fold it over that side.
Perfect.
Then the other side. Then you get both of the sides.
Hey, what are you guys doing? Oh, okay. No glue or markers or nothing like that. On the table.
Then you fold it like this. Then you grab the top and then just press it down. Then you grab this.
And then you grab that.
We're making a video here.
And fold it like that. And then get the top, then fold it down, then you fold it.
Did you know your lunchbox is on the what?
Then you go like this. Then you get the other side and then just even it. Then you open it up, then you got your airplane. Now here's a test. You go and then throw it.
But sometimes you might have to do a few more tests.
Test 2.
Oh, dang it.
I need to call and cancel that paper.
Sorry.
One more.
One more time. Third time's a charm. There we go. Thank you.